Good morning, viewers. Today we will learn factorizing quadratic expressions by splitting the middle term. This is presented to you by Edumetry. Stay with us and let us learn how to factorize any quadratic expression by the concept of splitting the middle term. First, we'll have to learn how this happens. When splitting the middle term, our objective is to write quadratic expressions as the product of two linear polynomials. The method of factoring by splitting the middle term is shown in detail in the following tutorial, in which we factor various examples of quadratic expressions. Here, I have tried to give you 10 different examples. Suppose you have a polynomial that can be factored as ax plus b into cx plus d. Let's multiply them and see what we are getting. We are simply getting an expression in quadratic form like ac x square plus ad plus bc into x plus bd. Now, if we consider ac as a, ad plus bc as b and bd as c, then we can write it in a simple quadratic expression as ac x square plus ad plus bc into x plus bd. Now, looking at all this, you may be feeling very confused, but if we look at the examples, we can easily identify how we are doing actually splitting the middle term. See, let us take an example x square. Okay, let us go to the example again. Back to the example. Here only you have to remember the goal is to get the b, which is ad plus bc. Okay. Now see here, the middle term needs to be split into two terms whose product is minus 9x square. Why? Because the first term is x square and the last term is minus 9, while the sum remains minus 8x. So we have to split it in such a manner that the middle two terms add up to minus 8x and the minus 9x square should be the product of those two terms. Now how we have done it? Minus 8x we have split it into minus 9x plus 1x. They add up to minus 8x and when we multiply them, it becomes minus 9x square. So how we are getting x into x minus 9 plus 1 into x minus 9? So we are getting x minus 9 into x plus 1 as the factor, as we have stated in our this previous concept. Now next question coming up, x square plus 13x minus 160. Similar way you have to do 13x you have to break it in such a manner so that the product becomes minus x square into 168. We are doing it like 21 and minus 8. If we multiply it, we will get minus 168. And if we subtract 8 from 21, we will get the required middle term. Similarly, you see the next example, x square plus 3x minus 40. Here 40 has been found by multiplying 8 into 5. Okay, 8 into minus 5, you are getting minus 40, and if you subtract 5 from 8, then you will get 3x. Okay, 8x minus 5x is 3x. Similarly, another example, x square plus 5x minus 300. So 300 you will get by multiplying minus 15 into 20. Again, if you subtract 15 from 20, you will get your 5. Next, x square plus 32x plus 1 plus 240. See how it is coming, x square plus 20x plus 12x minus plus 240. You take x as common, so you will get x plus 20 plus 12. If you take common from the rest two, you will get x plus 20. So x plus 20 into x plus 12 is the factor. Okay, 20 and 12 if you add, you will get 32. 20, 12 if you multiply, you will get 240. Another example is coming up. You can just note down the expression and try to do it on your own. Another expression coming up. You see how it has been broken. Plus 22x and your plus 85. 85 x square has been broken as. So the next example is coming up here. You can note it down and do it on your own. It has been already done, though I'm not again explaining explaining, but the same process has been used again and again to factorize various these examples. Numerous other examples are there which you can use to learn the concept, means to practice the concept properly so that you can ultimately understand the concept by doing. As you can see, thanks for watching children. Here I have given the previous video of complex number. The link is given below, and all books that are useful for you are given in the description box. If you find this useful, please hit the like button and the bell icon. Thanks for subscribing.